Hey Aquarius, what's up? Welcome to your reading. This is for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. This is a general reading, guys. May or may not resonate. If you need a personal reading, all that information is going to be down below. You can DM me on Instagram at Tarot with Nemo or email me on tarotwithnemo@gmail.com. Right? Let's see, Aquarius, what's going on in your love life. So, we're going to have a look at how this person views you, what are their feelings, and what are their intentions towards you from the 1st to the 10th of December 2021. It is a general reading, guys. So feel free to switch the energies, all right? This is for Aquarius. How does this person view Aquarius from the 1st to the 10th of December 2021? How does this person view Aquarius from the 1st to the 10th of December 2021? For a lot of you, if this is a new person here, then this person is very, very A, toxic. B, this person is addicted to you. They're obsessed with you. They can't get over you. That's for sure. Now, if this person is married, they feel they are restricted, even though you are their wish fulfillment, even though they would want to give you something committed, maybe a small committed offer here, something stable, something secure. Even if they would want to do that, no matter how happy you make them, no matter how much of wish fulfillment you are for them, somewhere somehow they do either feel restricted, okay, because they could be married to someone else and they still want you, or this person here probably has a lot of fears about coming towards you. Could be a heavy codependency, could be an addiction, could be an addiction to something. Like I said, a codependency, right? A codependency does not always have to be a third person here. It could be, like I said, for a few of you, there could be fear from parents, there could be fear from other people's opinions, there could be a fear of commitment, this could be someone commitment phobic, but something out here is making your person feel restricted here, okay, to pursue this connection. However, they view this connection with the Ace of Cups here as wanting to have a new emotional beginning with you, which not only is emotional and full of overwhelming feelings, but also at the same time they view this connection as someone that they want to offer something more secure and stable. Okay, that's a practical new beginning that they want with you because you make them very happy. What are this person's feelings towards Aquarius 1st to the 10th of December 2021? This person's feelings towards Aquarius from the 1st to the 10th of December 2021. Okay. Okay. Now, overall, I feel that your person here could be very burdened with responsibilities. Okay. Either these responsibilities are not this person's to carry, but they just they still gotta do what they gotta do, or this person here has a lot of other. Maybe this person even thinks you as a connection could be a lot of burden here, okay, or could be just an uphill battle because something's just too much work, okay, and they probably need to do everything on their own here. It depends, but overall they feel that either they're, like I said, they're going through responsibilities here, they have too much on their plate right now, which is why they can't cater to your needs, or this person here kind of feels that this relationship is too much of a burden, which is why they want to take a leap of faith with you, okay, but they want to go with the flow, they want to see where this goes. They don't want to immediately commit to you, or they don't want to immediately jump in head first here. I do feel here that this person here in their feelings here, you could have blocked them out, but I feel this person here is standing their ground for something. Maybe they're fighting for you, or maybe they're just standing their ground here for something here. But what's the Seven of Wands? What's the Seven of Wands? Ah, okay. Yeah, maybe this person genuinely wants long term with you, and they're fighting off other people here. They're fighting other people's opinions, or they're trying to stand up for this connection here, is what I'm getting here, okay? Because they do see you as the Empress, so they do see you as a spouse, or they see you as someone they want long term with here. However, they want to start again, they want to start this connection again here after they have ended a cycle here, okay? So after they have ended this painful whatever cycle that they're going through, they're almost at the end of it, they're ready to release that burden out here, okay? Once they are ready to come towards you and take a risk and leap of faith here. However, with the Five of Cups, this person could be going through some sort of depression also, okay? The depression could be anything, it does not have to be through you, but there could be some kind of emotional loss, or overall I feel here that this person here is not in a good state of mind. Okay, they're very feeling very hopeless even if they want to take a leap of faith here. They're very focused on the past where things didn't work out between you both here. They're lacking the motivation to take action. Okay, but they know that emotionally you have been very disappointed. Okay, because you trusted them, you had a lot of hopes with them. Okay, but they let you down. Okay, so they kind of feel here that things are ruined and they're very regretful. They feel something's just over and all gone and done with, but they're not in a very good place, okay, emotionally, which is why they want to come back towards you and take that risk. They are trying to fight for this connection as much as they can, but again, like I said, there's something that is burdening them or stressing them out. We saw the devil here also, so there is some restriction here. Okay, you know best what that is. uh, but it is, they view this connection as a wish fulfillment. Okay, they see you as God sent, they see you as an angel or whatever, like they see you as someone who can give them the ultimate happiness. But again, still not, marriage is still not on their mind, commitment is still on their mind. They want to start off slow, they want to start off slow here. Okay, the reason I said it's not on their mind is because the devil kind of gives me a strong energy where either there is some external person stopping them, or they're already into another situation, connection which is toxic, which is stopping them from approaching you. Okay, what are this person's intentions towards Aquarius? This person's intentions towards Aquarius. Just when I said, right, that I don't know about the happily ever after, and it just had to come out, right? I love tarot. Universe has its own way of saying, confirming things, right? One more card. Okay. All right, in their intentions. There are a lot of new beginnings that this person wants with you, Aquarius. For the ones that I'm reading for, I feel that things came to an end between you both here. Okay, something just completely ended between you both. In their intentions, it is to transform themselves to become a better version of themselves. B, evolve this connection and evolve as a couple, evolve the entire relationship into something very beautiful. They're ready to change and push themselves out of their comfort zone, ending the old ways and moving towards something new. They want to restart a new phase with you, okay? But they're going through a huge transition right now, okay? A huge transformation here. So there's a huge alteration that they're putting to themselves through, okay? Which is going to be very good for them. It is something which is going to be very uncomfortable, okay? For a lot of them, it's going to be very painful here. But there has been an ending here, and now that ending has kind of triggered them. Okay, so I think a lot of times this person was going around in circles with you because this person refused to change the way they think, refused to change their approach. So it's literally like doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. I feel this person here now is going to gather their shit together. Usually, I'd say strength is holding back, but here I feel this is someone here who is going to put in all their effort. They're going to be very bold, very brave, and going to make that big, bold move towards you where they're going to just take that risk and they're just going to hold on so tight, try and tame the situation and try and win this situation over and try and win this connection over with that inner strength, with a lot of compassion, with a lot of love, with a lot of passion that they have for you. They're going to try and do it not aggressively, but doing it very calm, composed, but very logically at the same time. Okay, so they're going to put in their all, they're going to put in their 110% here. Okay, to try and rebuild this connection is what I'm getting here. Okay, but yes, they're going to gather their courage, okay, for this, and they know it requires a lot of hard work and inner strength. So yes, they are going to have the strength to stand tall here against anyone who tries to block this relationship out here. Again, not being impulsive, could be trying to push their emotions a little, deeper than here, but yes, they would. I feel with the Ten of Cups in their intentions is to have a happily ever after with you, which we saw with the Nine of Cups here in the way they view you, but in their intentions here. So that's how just they view you, but they don't know deep down how much they love you and that they really want a happily ever after with you. They want a family with you. This is marriage. This is commitment. This is emotional satisfaction to the optimum level. This is in their intentions here. Because, yeah, they want family, they want kids here, everything with you here. However, with the Ten of Swords here, this person here does have a tendency to host their own pity party. Okay. So whatever has ended between you both here, right, it is still playing very strong on them. Either they feel backstabbed, betrayed by you, or you feel like being stabbed in the back out here. Okay. But someone out here knows that whatever ended, right, whatever ending happened between you both here, it has mentally affected, either this ending has affected both of you, because this could be a very painful ending out here, but this person is very disturbed, okay, and they're very affected mentally, they're mentally exhausted, but they've hit rock bottom also, okay, they're going through a rough patch out here, but they will eventually get over whatever happened between you both here, okay, whatever that ending is, they want to restart, okay. But what I like is they're not wanting to restart this connection again from where it to where it was. The good part is that they want to start this connection absolutely in a new way, the same person in a different version is what I'm getting here, okay. So I do feel here that not only do they want a happily ever after with you, but they also want to start with you, with you won't recognize this person when this person comes back towards you, okay. So it's going to be a surprise to you when this person comes towards you, because they're changing. For a lot of you, of this, there is a lot of physical attraction, okay, a lot of physical attraction, a lot of chemistry between you both here. This person zoned in on you, okay, and the attraction that was started with attraction, it's like long term, okay. This person is not like in and out like the Knight of Wands, okay. They're not immature. This person is very mature here. Like I said before, for a lot of you, this person could be married, okay. If not, they want to marry you, okay, but the passion's really strong, okay, very strong. So yeah, they're ready to take action towards you here. I'm so sorry about the noise. Yeah, my brother's kids crying. So yeah, but it's beautiful. Okay, I think this is a very beautiful reading here. I feel they're working their way towards you one step at a time here. Okay, they have it all set out here, but maybe they're going through the dark night of soul. Maybe they're going through a lot of changes. They're trying to change the way they think, or change the way their approach is, or break some negative patterns, okay, before they come towards you. But this is what they want with you. There is no it's like a given, okay. So that's what I have for you. That's very beautiful, Aquarius. Hope this reading resonates. I don't expect any communication from this person, because I don't see any communication cards here. Why? Again, I'll tell you, is because this person is changing here. I feel when this person comes back towards you, they're gonna come towards you with that action. It's gonna be a lot of action oriented in that masculine energy. Where you know what, I know what I want and I'm gonna get it. Okay, and they're ready to fight for you. Okay, so yeah, expect something very cool, very different. Okay, you won't recognize this person when they're back. So that's what I have for you, Aquarius. Hope this reading resonates, and leave your comments below. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.